Hello, good morning. Welcome to Scrap and Fun with Beth. My name is Beth Graves and I'm a Creative Memories Advisor and Forever Senior Ambassador. Today we are going to take a look at National Scrapbook Day 2026. Woohoo! And here's the theme. How fun is this? Scrapping with my chicks. Look at the fun color palette, the decorative hens, chickens, and little baby chicks. We've even got maybe a rooster in there. Sunflowers, pretty flowers. It's going to be really cool. But so this year with Creative Memories, for its National Scrapbook Day, what is it, right? Well, National Scrapbook Day is the spring annual event that many advisors hold specialty events for. Creative Memories develops a whole product line around a theme for us, and they're usually spot on with what is trending out in the world, right? And so the color palette is going to be a palette that you see everywhere once you start looking, and it's going to be so funny. You're going to be, oh my gosh, how do they do that? Anyway, so scrapping with my chicks, that'll be so cute. And then with the rebranding of Creative Memories and our logo, we have this really cool, well, I'm just going to show you. I'm going to go right to it. So we have this really cool product bundle. There's a cover set and there's a new punch that's going to be available for customers. These things are all launching on February 23rd, and there will also be free shipping with $100 or more through, I believe it's the 27th. Double check that with your advisor or on the website. But we're going to open this box so you can see everything firsthand. See, I haven't even opened it. So we're going to do that together. But let me back up a little bit. So National Scrapbook Day is a specialty event that happens every spring. Advisors can pick any date between March and like June. The official day is the first Saturday in May, and Creative Memories is actually the person or the company, the organization that created National Scrapbook Day. And now you'll see lots of people use the term, and a lot of organizations and companies that have to do with scrapbooking, and that's okay. But we were first. So National Scrapbook Day is coming soon. Watch my Scrap and Fun calendar and also the Creative Memories Events Finder, and join us. It's a really fun event. So we will hold a in-person event in April, and then we will also hold a virtual event, usually the week or two before, that we cover this bundle. So we will make all of the pages together virtually via Zoom, and all you will need is the products. So watch for that on my Scrap and Fun calendar as well, and you are welcome to join us. So let's get to the unboxing. So customers will have the opportunity to purchase a few different items. So the first thing, which just makes me smile every time I look at it, is this beautiful cover set. And it has the hen and the sunflowers. It's in a classic blue is the album color. And the cover set is a retail of $40, and you will be able to purchase that on February 23rd. But your advisor does have access to this stuff early, so let her know if you need something right away. But I have no idea what I will put in this cover set, but it just makes me smile every time I see it. So I am going to get one. All right. The other exclusive item that came out for National Scrapbook Day is the new punch called the Sunflower Chain. And this is beautiful. It is large sunflowers, and they're going to look so cool added to your layouts, and we can do different colors so that they show through behind, and so it will be fun to see what so many customers and advisors come up with on how to use this. Plus, in your bundle, you're going to have a project guidebook, and I bet we're able to use this in it. So without further ado, let's open this up. So everything that will come in this box just for you, and the retail price on this bundle is $53, but it's got a lot of stuff in it. So let's get to it. You can see our rebranding here, and it's just so much fun. All the packaging is so cheery and bright, and it just adds a lot when you're unpacking your box and getting your stuff out, to know that this is this is the new CM. This is the fun that we're having. So, all right, so you're gonna get this great box. This box is very similar to the Secret box, and it's great for storing layouts that are done or that you're in progress on, or sorting things. So don't get rid of them. This is awesome. All right, so it'll be packaged. All right, so what comes in the collection? What comes in our bundle? Well, of course, we have our project guidebook that's going to walk us through how to create some really cool layouts using the papers and accessories that are in the project bundle. We have an exclusive mat pack with 12 mats, and you can see here a lot of them are half-size ones, so we'll be able to cut them down. But you're going to see that theme of friends and spring and I don't know, it's just so exciting. I just think it's super cute, and I hope you're excited about it. But oh, look at how fun these are. So this is one you could cut in half and use as 2 different journal boxes, or just use it as a photo mat on a larger photo. We've got some cute sayings together, and this is going to work whether you have barnyard animals or not. There's just a lot of fun things in here that we can do with our photo mats. Here are the embellishments, and you can see, I'll give you a little sample here. Again, we've got some chicks and hens, but we've also got a lot of floral. And again, you're going to see that Creative Memories is spot on with the trending and the color palettes that will be out this spring. There are also 2 packs of border embellishments, one in the floral sunflower and one with the chicks and the hens. Again, this is going to be so fun. Let's take lots of pictures at our National Scrapbook Day events so we can make a fun layout using these. Okay, now let's get to the real stuff. So we'll have our cardstock sampler, our project recipe kit, and our accessory pack, or our designer pack. So you can see that the paper pack, our colors are tangerine, solar yellow, avocado, blue, and caramel. So it's a beautiful color palette. I know I've said that like 10 times, right? Anyway, I'm not lying. It's so true. So we've got the floral and the sunflower, the butterflies. We've got the bee honeycomb. You've got the mixture, our plaid. We always have to have plaid. And then a little bit of fun happening with a couple chicks and hens. So it is not an overpowering barnyard kind of theme, but it's going to be very flexible to do a lot of different things with it. Your project recipe kit also includes a couple pieces of cardstock, along with some floral and chick kind of prints, but again, not overpowering. And we can always use the reverse side and mix and match on our layouts. Oh, that's a beautiful plaid. I hadn't seen that one yet. The sunflowers are fun. Just the yellow is beautiful. And then you've got your songbird and your canary. This is a pretty blue with that plaid. Yeah, that was pretty neat. And then this brown polka dot is super cute. And then of course our scrapping with our chicks, right? And you will have a sticker sheet that coordinates. And again, you're seeing the floral theme in the color palette, which is just going to be amazing. And then all those colors I mentioned that are in these 2 packs come in our cardstock sampler. So that is all the goodness you get to unwrap when you get the customer bundle, along with, if you want to add on the sunflower chain punch and or the National Scrapbook Day cover set. So how fun is that? I just love it. I can't wait for the event. So it will be fun to see what kinds of different layouts people come up with these colors and patterns. And I don't know, here in Iowa, it's just a little out. And so this just makes me cheery and feel cheery and happy, and like spring is almost coming, right? So, all right, I'm rambling, so I'm going to stop for now, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek of all the fun that's coming for National Scrapbook Day. Again, watch my website and the Creative Memories site for dates. If you're my customer, of course, you will receive registration information from me, but everyone is welcome. Please shop with your advisor if you have one, and if not, I'd be happy to help you. Have a great day. Thanks for visiting Scrap and Fun with Beth. I'll see you later.